Hello and welcome back to our channel. This episode I'm going to introduce my 2022 Kawasaki Versys-X 300, and we'll go discover some of the beachy areas here in the Tampa Bay area. And this is a bike which I had over now a year and a half, and it's a fun bike to ride. It's only 386 pounds in terms of weight, and it's very versatile in terms of what it could be used for, like off-roading, city driving, and a little bit cross country. Alright, we're heading over to Dunedin, direction Honeymoon Island. It's a beach area. It has a Dunedin Causeway right there. I'll take some drone footage over there. Beautiful day, Christmas Day. Temperature is going to be in the mid-70s today, about 24 centigrade Celsius. Oh, I did a little break here before we head over Honeymoon Island. It's a gas station right here. Frenchie's Outpost Bar and Grill. It's a couple of small bridges leading to Honeymoon Island, which is a state park actually. I'm not going to go to the state park, I will just stop on the right side here. But welcome to Dunedin Causeway. Alright, we're pulling here, the right side. And we're going to do a couple drone shots. Let's go where the shade is. And here's the Bel Air Beach Bridge. The boat ramp on the right side. And here's the Gulf on the other side of the Barrier Islands. Yeah, it's Bel Air Beach, and then it goes over into Indian Rocks Beach on the left side. Clearwater Beach is on the right side. Yeah. Welcome to Indian Rocks Beach. Here's Guppy's restaurant on the left side, a very good restaurant, seafood. Closed today because today is the 25th of December 2025, Christmas Day. And on the right side comes up here, Cookie Coconut, very good little restaurant, has crab cakes, fantastic. Cookie Coconut. Merry Christmas. Yo. Very pleasant temperature today, 75, 76. It's about 24 degrees Celsius, it's not a good. There you see golf carts here everywhere. Very practical for small runs. Crappy Bill's restaurant. Always a lot of action, live music. There comes another golf cart. And those are street approved, mostly. Surf shop. A lot of rentals here, Airbnbs. On the right side. And the beach is right behind those houses. Indian Rocks Beach. And that's the end of Indian Rocks Beach. The sign is here on the left. Here's the intra-coastal on the left side. It's a waterway that goes many, many miles. Same as this Golf Boulevard, goes all the way from Clearwater down to St. Pete. Perfect day to take your boat out and go fishing. Welcome to Indian Shores. That's the next town here, Indian Shores. And this is the south end of Indian Rocks Beach. Happen here to the right. Villa Gallus. We ate here before. It's alright. There's another beach bar right here. They have always live music too. People heading to the beach. This is a fire station of Indian Rocks Beach, and this part of metal is from the Twin Towers in New York City. Indian Rocks Beach post office to the right here. It was closed for almost a year, I think. Yeah, because there was water standing. I think it had 3 foot of rain, water standing after the 2 hurricanes passed by here last year. So it was closed. To get it all renovated. Clear. PJ's restaurant right here on the right side. And we're crossing the intra-coastal waterway again. And now we are in Largo. Well, with these pictures, say goodbye. Thank you for watching, coming along on this trip. This time not an RV, but on the motorbike.